Hello and thank you for watching. Today we're going to be installing the Tacstar side saddle shot shell carrier. This has the ability to put 6 more rounds on the side of the gun. It'll mount on the receiver side over here. Doesn't do anything to affect the shooting of the gun, it just allows more rounds to be carried. The first thing is, according to the instructions, is to replace the pins with these bolts. And I had to replace this washer due to a gust of wind that came along and blew this off. So right now you'll see there's a stainless washer there. I'm just going to have to make do with that until I can get a replacement. So turn the shotgun over, and it is supposed to line up kind of have to feel around in there to get the threads to bite on that second bored out hole, because you won't be able to see it through the saddle itself. Tighten them down. I probably should have used a little blue Loctite on there. That's what the instructions recommend, which I may go back and do that. Mainly I want to see how I like it having those shells over on the side of my face. Okay, so that is it. We've got trigger function. So I've got some spare shells, and they do seem to hold fairly well. I guess the real test will be taking it to the range. Let's see. All right. Okay, so that's not terribly bad with it right there. Doesn't interfere with sighting or the hand. Okay. So not terribly bad. Some people like to put brass end down, some like brass end up. And I'll have to shoot it to see how I like that. Okay. All right. The next thing I'm gonna do is put a sling on this one and then test fire it. Thank you for watching. If you like what we're doing, consider subscribing to our channel.